Hello and welcome to this particular Key Stage 3 English task. This is all about giant rats and sinister spiders and the urban myths. So since the beginning of time, humans have enjoyed being scared. We choose to go on roller coasters and scream as we plummet towards the ground. We are captivated by horror movies and stories. We seek out extreme activities such as bungee jumping and zip wiring. And while it's true to say that some of us like the feeling of fear more than others, it's true that more often people understand the thrill of danger to a certain extent. It's probably the penchant for being scared which has spawned urban myths. These are modern day folk stories which are passed off as true. They usually have a unifying theme. They involve danger or gore. They often have a supernatural element, and they can thrive on the basis that they cannot be explained. 20 years ago, urban legends were most spread by words of mouth. Now the internet is a breeding ground for weird and wonderful stories. Often the stories will be slightly altered and adapted to suit local circumstances or individuals. Here's a selection of some of the most popular urban legends. Do you recognize any of them? So the first of all, the Sinister Spiders. So urban myth, the holiday of a lifetime became memorable for all the wrong reasons when a woman was bitten by a spider recently. Staying in a tropical location, she had been warned about the local wildlife and thought she was protected. But somehow, a spider crept under her net while she was asleep and bit her on her cheek. When she awoke the next morning, the woman had a nasty bite. She put cream on it and tried to ignore it, but it kept itching. When she returned to her home, she still had the bite and it seemed to have become bigger. She went to the doctor who lanced the lump, and out came hundreds of tiny spiders. The spider hadn't bitten her, it had laid eggs inside her. Debunked. So there is no record of anyone having a spider lay eggs inside their body. There are lots of horror stories with similar ideas, and there are many versions of this myth, but none of them have ever been found to be true. This urban legend is popular because it plays on a popular fear, which is arachnophobia. And arachnophobia is the fear of spiders. So have a read of this one more time and answer the following questions. Good luck with these. We'll see what your comprehension skills are like in our next lesson. Take care and good luck.